This is an important message for agents who want to sell apartments or commercial real estate. What if I told you I could double your annual income? That I could help you make twice as much commission as you made last year? What if I told you all you had to do with me is just sell one more property this year? Well, according to the National Association of Realtors, an agent who sells at least one commercial property makes twice as much money, more than twice as much actually, than agents who sell residential only. And are you sick and tired of seeing other agents get investors? Are you tired of losing apartment or investor deals from close clients or friends? This is very common with agents. If you're tired of the competition in residential real estate, you want to expand into more sales and listings, work with investors on commercial real estate or apartments, I want to introduce you to Straight Talk Commercial Real Estate Academy. This is a membership site and training platform that makes it easy for you to learn, analyze, list, and sell commercial real estate, work with investors, and grow your business into a new and very profitable field of real estate. My name's Dusty. I'm one of the founders of Straight Talk Commercial Real Estate Academy. My day job, if you will, is as a commercial real estate agent. I sell commercial real estate for a living. I do it part-time. Most of my time is on the schools. However, I want to make sure that you are confident that I know what I'm talking about. As of this recording, I currently, today, have listed $32,697,000 in commercial real estate. It's not coming soon. It's not almost listed. And it's not sold year to date. These are on the market right now. In fact, here's a collage of all of them. You'll notice there's only 7 listings. This is not uncommon in commercial real estate. Our price point is significantly higher. A lot of times we say, hey, just add a 0 to the deal and now you've got a commercial deal. They're not a lot different, but there's a lot to learn. By the way, 15,390,000 of those, these 3, are in escrow right now. As of this recording, I think the last one to close will be in about 2 months. And so I want to download directly into your brain me and my business partner Steve's 30 years of collective knowledge on commercial real estate so that you know what we know about selling apartments and commercial real estate, and you can do this too. And again, by the way, we only do this part-time. Unfortunately, direct brain download technology isn't out yet, so we've done the next best thing. We've actually crafted over 50 hours of quality commercial real estate and apartment training classes. We park them on our training site, Straight Talk Commercial Real Estate Academy. There's a little screenshot to show you how much training there is in there. This video alone is 30 minutes. And that video is just part 1 of 5 of this one class, the Introduction to Commercial Real Estate. There's many introductory topics there. This is just one class. In addition, we also meet with our members live. We hold regular office hours and help troubleshoot your problems. We don't do it in a big 200-person group. We do it in classes of 25 because we want to make sure that we solve any issues you have. We put real work into helping you troubleshoot your problems. If we're in a class of 200, that does not work. We hold regular interviews as well with industry professionals, and if our members request another class topic, which you can too, we make a class for them, and we'll add it to the library. In addition, we also give our members all of our marketing materials, training manuals, templates, forms, lead generation campaigns, everything that we use to, as of right now, have $36 million in active listings. Back to those listings. Once I started closing commercial real estate, I started telling my friends and family how successful it was. And something really shocked me. Some people, some agents especially, were begging me to show them how they could find out how just a little education, help them get a little education and support and unlock commercial real estate. And others were skeptical that I could even have that much in listings. So I gave them a challenge, the same one I would like to give you right now. Pay us a monthly fee. Join us, pay us $97 a month. I guarantee you'll find more than a little bit of education. And it's really going to break open the investment sales opportunities. There's a massive opportunity, especially for residential agents who can learn commercial. If you're not sure that this would be worth signing up to shell out $97 a month, don't worry. Keep it for now. Keep it in your pocket. And then after you've seen what we have to offer, all the support we have to help make you a success, then if you decide we're worth it, give us $97. And if we don't live up to your expectations and can't help you double your income this year, don't pay us anything. Does that seem fair? I mean, I'm so confident you're going to love all we have to teach you that we'll actually let you run rampant as a member for 30 days and try everything. If you think we're worth it, by the way, our normal pricing is $147 a month. There's a countdown at the bottom of the screen here. And when that goes to 0, we're actually going back to normal pricing. Just do nothing, and you'll be charged at the end of 30 days. If you think we're worth it. If not, and you think we can't help you, just cancel anytime. Before the 30th day, you won't be charged. In addition, if ever in the future you decide we can't help you anymore, you've learned all you can, just cancel. There's no contracts or obligation other than every month if you decide to stay. Hopefully that seems fair. Kind of like going out to a fancy dinner and only paying if you love the food. And if you hate the food, then you pay nothing. So it's your turn to decide. Say yes and let us prove that our training worked. Let us show you how to put up numbers like ours, and let us help you close some commercial real estate or apartment deals this year. There's no risk to you. I'd ask, what's the problem? Giving it a try. If you click the button to the right and create your trial account, I'll see you later. Hope I see you in there. I hope we're able to help teach you what we know, and I hope we can help you double your income this year by selling at least one commercial or apartment building. We'll see you at office hours.